Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to a new trading week. Now, firstly today we're just going to start on stocks as we've seen further selling developing, and we're seeing markets back at some pretty solid, some key support areas and demand areas. So we saw a pullback on Friday. This has been tested pretty solidly at the moment. We're looking at the US 30 in front of us right now, and we are seeing a fair decline for today so far. We're seeing just over 1% lower at this stage, and we are back at this level here, which has been key support and demand. Now, the Nasdaq, which we thought may have a little bit of good news, is not that's the UK 100. Some good news over the weekend around Donald Trump the Trump administration agreeing to a concept agreement between Walmart and Oracle purchasing TikTok, and that would also cancel out the ban. That hasn't really spurred any confidence as yet, as we can see now that we are consolidating this move, that below that 10,900 support, and now we're seeing a new move lower today, and possibility could we see a test of last Friday's low. So the next support below that kind of key support is down around this area, and that's at the 10,518 down to 10,450. And if we did see a move down there, that's really starting to say something. So as we can see here, the price has really confirmed that counter trend break now, and we are really at this point today confirming a break of that support that we were talking about last week. So now we're just going to jump over to the German 30 European indexes back online this week, and we are seeing a lot of selling on the DAX at this stage. We're seeing a move of just over 2% lower, and we are seeing a break now of this trend here, and we are seeing price now back at this key support / demand area. And if we do see a break at this area here, possibility of a new test down to possibly that 12,720 down, and even maybe 12,7 flat. So we're keeping an eye on that tonight to see if sellers are able to break through this area. We have seen a lot of rejection from buyers at this area previously, so that could be an interesting development depending on how things work out. Now, currencies at this stage, we're just going to focus mainly on the pound. The dollar's been slightly lower today, but we are seeing dollar buyers make a bit of a comeback, and the pound is trading higher, but it's given back a fair chunk of its gains today, and we're seeing a fair bit of pressure building now on this counter rally. So resistance is pretty firm up at that 1.300 point, and now if sellers are able to break this low, there's a possibility that could be the beginning of a new move extension lower. But we do think that maybe, depending on how strong USD is tonight, would be so that really remains the key here to see if sellers can break that low. If that low folds, then definitely there's a possibility we could see a new move lower by sellers. In terms of points, that would be if sellers were able to get market to really bring momentum going. That could be a possible area to test down that low. But again, as sort of just mentioned before, a lot may come down to the influence that's going on with Brexit at the moment and the withdrawal agreement, and if that does take a turn for more uncertainty, then definitely we could possibly see the pound move lower. But if it stabilizes or continues to hold out, that may restrict the potential of the move lower, depending again on if we do see a real strong move by the USD. So if you are looking for a projection lower on the pound, I do think that the Brexit may have some fair influence over that at the moment. So now we're just going to quickly finish on the dollar CAD. Now we're just watching the dollar CAD because it's getting more and more interesting. We can see that we have this trend break here. We have a very solid support point setting up from that 3140 area, and now we've had a failed high, push lower, and we're seeing a new support hold, and now we're seeing a new push high by buyers today. So it could also be called there a higher low here. So, and we're seeing a break here. So really what I'd like to see buyers do is clear this congestion area. If we had a 1 or 2 day rally that pushed up, tested it and broke through it, that would give this idea of a new trend starting to form after this breakout a lot more conviction. So right now we're still pretty range based between these two areas here. So, but the signs today do look good right at this point, that there's possibility buyers are going to try and make a new move. But a lot will that come down to the USD tonight, and this finally at midnight Australian Eastern Standard Time we have Fed Chair Powell speaking, so that could have a bit of an influence on USD as well. So that's it for now. We hope you have a fantastic rest to your trading day today, and until tomorrow, good trading and bye for now.